Finally, the evening is here. Hello guys, this is Safa and this is my home studio slash home office, and the same day another video. Finally the evening has become and the kids are asleep and I'm about to sleep too. It's past 10 p.m. so it's almost my bedtime. being a father of a toddler and a baby, life does not allow you to, I don't know, go to bed at midnight or maybe later than that. Cool. What am I doing? I want to shoot another video to show you around and show you what I'm doing with this fancy orange light and everything. So the thing is, you can see the books here, right? Like here. So these are all non-fiction books. Actually, there are more than that. That's out of the frame. It's more than 20 books. And I think it was 23 books or something. I had a challenge in my Turkish channel a month or two ago. And it was about finishing up 23 non-fiction books in 2023. I'm really behind my plan, but I'm reading a lot compared to last year. So it was not easy for me to... By the way, am I looking at the correct camera? Okay, this is... Okay, not this one, this one. Yeah, I should look at that one. Cool, yeah, I can see you now. So I'm trying to read a lot of books, more books than last year or ever before actually. I understood that I kind of work harder to make space to read some books. Otherwise, it won't happen spontaneously. Okay, it won't happen. Okay, I have some free time and let's go and read. So I'm reading. And the thing is, I hope you can still hear me. The thing is, it was not easy for me to get to reading actually. I didn't know how to read. I didn't know when to read. And I was falling asleep really easily. The fonts were too small. The light was not right. There were so many problems. First thing I did was actually to buy this thing from AliExpress. So this is a Chinese product most probably. And using this, I can kind of fix my book in a comfortable angle. And besides, since the book is open all the time, I see it whenever I come to my room. So it kind of reminds me, okay, you need to read this book. And also it keeps the page I'm on. So I usually kind of open up a chapter. So it's like I leave the book when I'm at the end of a chapter. And it's kind of tempting for me to start this new chapter. It's a new thing. Then let me unplug this first. I hope the light didn't get messed up really easily. Okay, it's not really easy to do it. Okay, so this is an IKEA lamp, which has, wow, it's hot, which has a really bright lamp in it. The reason is, since I make videos, like the lighting is really important for me. Let me show you. So this is another light, for example. Without this one and without this one, the video will look like this. Not exactly as this, but yeah, you got the idea. So these lighting really helps, and having an option to kind of bounce the light off your wall to fill you in. Usually I don't make videos here. I make videos kind of in this spot, and I have my lights kind of in front of me, and I have the light, the table light, bouncing off of the wall and hitting this side of the wall. And I also use my screens. I have kind of 3 screens here. Okay, that's confusing. But yeah, so I have also lights coming from that too. So I don't use a regular table lamp. I use a brighter lamp. Actually, this is the brightest one I could find in Turkey. Okay, this is working good as a video light. Amazing, but it's not as good as a table light, right? Imagine you're gonna read this. It's so bright, not as bright as you see in the video, but it's still bright. It hurts my eyes. Then I was thinking, okay, maybe I can fix a paper here or some other thing, and I found something online in Thingiverse and had a friend 3D print this for me. So with this is still like my friend and I still working on the exact measurements and exact design on it, but the idea is you can kind of fix a diffuser in front of the lamp to change the color to a warmer color and down the brightness a little bit. So this is easier. And if I want to get it more dim, okay, if I want to make it more dim, I can use thicker kind of lenses or diffusers. Yeah, let's say. For example, let's put them on. So ideally, I should like take it off and then place it. But yeah, it's dimmer. And if I want it even dimmer, it also becomes more orange. But you get the idea. I can play with it to create different levels of brightness. And if I have other diffusers and other colors, I can change colors too, right? So this is the idea. And now I'm also using a special type of post-it markers to mark my highlights. The color orange here is because the book also has the color orange, so I wanted to make it fit that color. Yeah, so this is how my evenings are going usually. The last half an hour or last hour before going to bed, if I'm not too tired, then I try to read some book, kind of annotate, highlight, and mark, and then I can go to sleep afterwards. Okay, this was it, and I hope to see you in the next video.